Hey, what's going on everybody? It's your boy Tyshawn, aka coldlabz on social media. In the last video, we talked about variables, strings, and numbers. But in this video, we're going to talk about Booleans, which are true and false statements, operators, and how to use them and when to use them. So if we all remember from school, a true statement is something that can be proven to be a fact, and a false statement is something that's proven to be false. Alright, so let's go back to jsbin.com and bring up the editor. So jsbin.com. Alright, so now we're on the website. Let's go ahead and remove the HTML tab and the CSS tab and open the console, because we're going to need the three of those. And now that we got all three of those tabs open, let's go ahead and make our own true or false statements. So let's type cat equals 10, dog equals 2, fish equals green, and squid equals blue. Okay, so let's go over to the console. Let's type 9 is greater than 10. In the end, you're going to get false because that's a false statement. But what if we switch that around and say 9 is less than 10? Now you get a true statement. We also could use the variables to get the same results. So let's do cat is greater than 10 and hit enter. You see a true or false statement pops up. You can also do dog is less than cat. Still, a true or false statement pops up. Say for example, you wanted to try to subtract a string from a number, such as cat minus squid. What do you expect to happen? In the end, it can be done, but it won't work. The reason behind that is because you can't subtract a number from a string. You can't subtract words from numbers. It doesn't work that way. So let's talk about these different operators that we mentioned in the beginning of the video. From my experience, a lot of times when I'm programming, I typically use 4 of the comparison operators. Those operators are the not equal symbol, the equal symbol, the and symbol, and the or symbol. How do they look? But before we get started, let's talk about comments and how you write a comment. A comment can be written with 2 forward slashes or a forward slash and a star symbol. And typically the star symbol is above the number 8. And you close it off with the star symbol and then a forward slash again. So we're going to store our comparison symbols inside of a double line comment. And on the single line, we're going to write the comparison symbols. So in the double line comment area, let's type the and symbol, the or symbol, the not symbol, and the equal symbol. Now that that's done, let's begin using them. So let's start with the and symbol. The and symbol is this one right here. So let's say 9 is greater than 2 and 9 is less than 4. You're going to get false. The reason behind you getting false is because the and symbol is comparing 2 operators and saying that both of these are equal to each other. So 9 is not less than 4, but 9 is greater than 2. So let's go to the or operation symbol. When you're using the or operation symbol, one of the 2 conditions have to be met, or one of the 2 conditions have to be true. So in this case, let's say 9 is greater than 2 or 9 is less than 4. The reason that this turns out to be true is because the condition has been met on one or the other side. So let's do the not equal. So let's do 9 is not equal to 2. What happens is you get true. But if we did 9 is not equal to 9, you're going to get false because that's an obvious statement. So finally, let's go ahead and use the equal statement. So 9 is equal to 9. Let's try 9 is equal to squid. You see, you get a true statement for one of them, not the other, because a string is not equal to a number. Before we finish up, let's talk about why a comment is so important. Say for example that you create some software or some type of long program. It gets over 1,000, 2,000 lines in it. Most of the time, you're not going to remember exactly what line means what to what part of the program. So therefore, if you leave a comment there, you understand how to get back and you understand what the reference stands for. Okay, so now we're done. Let's talk about everything that we've done today. One of the first things we did was learn and understand the importance of true and false statements and how they can be different things. Another thing we did was learn about the most common operators, such as the AND statement, the OR statement, the NOT statement, and the equal statement. Hopefully, you guys are ready to learn something new in the next video. I'll see you around.